I am so excited. We finally have our decorated model homes here at Seaboard Junction. This is going to be a fantastic community. Our second decorated model is the Savannah Plan. It is actually our largest plan, 1809 in square footage. Has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 0-step entry, 0-step shower, 1-level living. We have an open concept living room, formal dining room, and kitchen. It has a covered patio that you can enjoy in the evening, ceiling fan. In our master bedroom, it has a sitting area. In the model, we've also put in access to the covered patio that you can enjoy in the evenings or for breakfast in the morning. Secondary bedrooms are spacious, one with a walk-in closet and access to the secondary bathroom. We have hardwood floors throughout all the main living areas, including the hallways.
The kitchen is really beautiful. It has the soft close cabinets, granite, stainless steel appliances, which consist of a 5-burner range, the microwave. We have a counter depth side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. So we're excited, and I hope you're excited just by listening to us describe this beautiful active adult community here in Loganville. So please come out and visit us. Our address is 2793 Loganville Highway in Loganville, Georgia, or you can call us at 470-344-0341. Look forward to seeing you soon.